Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not available on Fitbit. You click on settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about Fitbit and you will click. Then we click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.